We've done our grocery shopping today, so we stopped at the Chinese store and we bought this baoza. Baozas are these Chinese buns. This is how they look like. They're frozen and they're soft buns that you have to steam, and they're filled with different fillings inside. Some of them are filled with vegetables, some of them are filled with meat, some of them are filled with soy or a mixture of vegetables, meat and soy. We've bought, I think, 2 or 3 varieties. We've got these ones that are filled with green vegetables and mushrooms. They come 4 or 6 in a package. We've got these ones that are filled with mushrooms and soy. Yeah. And these are a bit smaller. They come 6 in a case. And another one that are filled with Chinese spinach. It's just baby spinach. So I am steaming them. I have a pot of boiling water, and let me see if I can do this. They're right here, steaming. Yeah, you have to steam them for about, it's hot, 15-20 minutes, and then they're super good and delicious. So if you ever go to a Chinese restaurant, I'm encouraging you to try them. They're really, really good.